So good day everyone. I am Mary P. Cogdan, your presenter for today. So our topic for today is all about geometric and organic shapes for grade 3 students. So before anything else, I would like to read the content standard. The learner demonstrates understanding of lines, texture, shapes, and depths, contrast, or size texture through drawing. So the performance standard is the learner creates an artwork of people in the province or region. On the spot sketching of plant trees or buildings and geometric line design shows a work of art based on close observation of natural objects in his or her surroundings in size, shape, and texture. So the learning competencies with learning code wherein the learner creates a pencil or pen drawing of scene in daily life where people in the province or region show their occupation by the action they are doing. So the code is A3PR and IH. So I have here also the unpack competencies. The first one is to identify the geometric and organic shapes. Number 2 is to create examples of organic and geometric shapes through nature and man-made objects. And the last one is to explain the artwork drawn. So we will go now to our topic. So before with anything else, ano nga ba ang shapes? So mostly, sa mga bata kasi, mas nadidetermine nila ang isang bagay through shapes, or they can describe one object through their shapes, through how its figures, such as for example the ball. Kapag sinabi yung ball, how they can determine that that is a ball, it's because of the shape. So ano nga ba yung shapes? So what is the definition of shapes? So, shape is the outline or boundary of a form of an object, whether it's a simple flat figure like a square or a solid three-dimensional object like a sphere. So, based on the definition, ang shape daw ay it is an object or there is a boundary. Meron siyang, for example, may mga measurement siya. Halimbawa na lang sa mga buildings. Di ba ang buildings mostly is rectangle shape siya or square ng pataas? It's because they have their measurements. So, I am going to discuss the two main types of shapes. So, the first one is the geometric shapes. Ano nga ba yung geometric shape? So, geometric shape defined by perfect. It is a perfect, uniform measurements and mathematical rules. When we talk about uniform measurements, ibig sabihin, hindi siya scattered na mga shapes lang. Kumbaga, meron talaga siyang description and it's a mathematical rule. So, kapag sinabing mathematical, there is a computation. And some examples of geometric shapes is such as circles. Yeah, we know the circles, the squares, the triangles, and even the cubes and spheres. So what is the appearance? How can you say that this is something like this? And what is the appearance? So the appearance, they don't usually appear in nature. So hindi sila nag-appear through nature but are common in manufactured items. So nako-construct sila or nagagawa sila. So for example of geometric shapes when it comes into man-made is the houses, the doors, the tables, and even the buildings. Kahit nga when we talk about sa trabaho naman, as mostly sa mga construction workers, they are making or they are building strong buildings, roads, highways, irrigations, and dams such as like that. And the houses, of course. And when we talk about organic shape, this is irregular, asymmetrical, and free-flowing shapes. So from the definition of organic shape, irregular. So wala siyang mai-describe na shape niya talaga, which is irregular, asymmetrical. Asymmetrico nga talaga siya. So, the characteristics of organic shapes is often have curved lines. May mga curved lines siya na iba-iba ang sizes, may malaki, may maliit, and their forms are not perfectly defined. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga formation niya is not perfectly defined. Hindi mo siya matutukoy kung ito ba ay bilog. Kasi nga may mga curved lines or something like may mga linya, pero nag-iiba siya dahil nga yung may mga kurba-kurba. So, some examples of organic shapes are plants, clouds, animals, and people. Totoo nga naman na people kasi nga, 'di ba, sa atin, hindi mo masasabi na ikaw ay bilugan, ganito, ganyan. Kasi nga, hindi mo masasabing ikaw bilog. Kasi nga, 'di ba, as you can see, people, their definition is not settled, right? And appearance is associated with the natural world. So, 'di ba, when we are talking about shapes, there are two main types. Don't forget that the first one is the geometric shapes, which is the manufactured rules. So, it has sizes, it has a perfectly defined shapes siya, while in organic, asymmetrical siya. So, meaning, asymmetrical, hindi siya hindi nade-define yung kanyang mga shapes. And that will be our discussion for today. Thank you so much for listening.